a lot of Zambian couples, they don't understand transparency. You know, Zambian couples live like mad people, most of them. They are just like, you know, the husband gets paid, does whatever he likes. The wife gets paid, she does whatever she likes. They live like mad people. They don't have a plan of action of how to move from, okay, mommy, we've been together for 2 years, 3 years, 7 years. How do we prepare for our retirement? How do we prepare for our children's college? How do we prepare for our retirement home? How are we going to buy land? They don't have, Zambian couples, most of them are confused. They don't have this. And I'm telling you this because they're not like this because they want. It's because in Zambia we don't have too many examples of people who work together as couples. We don't have too many examples of such people. And we don't have too many examples in our families of people who work together as a couple and prepared for retirement together as a couple. We don't have such examples. We have very few examples. So many people, many old people in our setup ask for money from us, the young ones, always calling. So that's the culture that we have. Nobody ever taught us how to be transparent, how to get paid, or how to make money and show your partner and feel okay about it. Nobody ever taught us that. So because nobody ever taught us that, all right, because nobody ever taught us that, it is very difficult for us or to be able to share with our partner what actually we do. So it is why many Zambian couples find it difficult to grow. Number one is transparency. There's no transparency in Zambian couples financially. So the husband can be making good money, but nobody taught this man how to be transparent. If he feels like the only way he can control his wife is if he's the one moving money and spending and doing, but he can't really open up. Not that he doesn't want, because nobody taught him how to be transparent. Nobody taught him that it's okay to make money and share with your partner. Nobody did that. And this is why these conversations are so uncomfortable. I know lots of people who even take offense because I said most Zambian couples live like they are mad people. Financially, yeah, they live like they are mad people because the wife gets paid, does what she likes. The husband gets paid, does what they like. There's no unity of purpose. There's nothing. And these people, they are making good money, but there's just nobody to support them financially with a plan of action. They are not bad people. They're just people who need some bit of guidance. They are mature people, but they are financially illiterate. Even though they have degrees and master's degrees, but they're still struggling to progress because they lack the financial tools to put their monies together. So in the end, they just make donations. The wife gets paid to contribute this, the husband gets paid to contribute this, and then it ends there. Like the majority of Zambian couples, that's how they are living. That's the number one cause of lack of progress for most Zambian couples. Now, when it comes to husbands, for the husbands, like I said, it's lack of transparency. That's why they don't progress. They just spend money unnecessarily. So